Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
What is he doing?
You car! They've hit his car, haven't they?
Yeah.
Cam was fine, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Stop pushing
She's
up!
gonna smack his. No, there's no.
Take a photo of the car, take a photo of the car, take a photo of the car. Turn your f***ing car!
It's just fucking hit his car.
Don't be a fucking idiot.
The show is it where they ate the meatballs together?
Lady and the Tramp.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. It's a bit.
Okay, yourself.
You could cut it in half or break it in two.
Yeah.
Yeah. But also the thought of me and the dog having the same dinner, that's... I don't think that's well, I don't have a dog, so there's that. I do really want one though.
Celsius. Tonight we'll have extensively clear skies and there's just a few patches of cloud lingering in coastal areas. The odd shower may develop here towards dawn. Patchy mist fog may also form in places. Temperatures falling to 6 degrees. BBC News.
You're a fanny, you're never going to make that. You are a fucking water pellet. Oh my god. Oof!
Getting sick of your shit, mate.